Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I am with you Mushur, graphics trainer, Artistic IT. In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to make a delivery service logo or app icon. The logo name is French Fries Delivery Service. So let's start. First I will make a blank document to show you the process. So I am going to File, Document Setup, Edit Artboards. Now I will create a blank document, so I will delete everything except the color. First I will take a ellipse tool, make the stroke 12, I will take a rectangle tool over the ellipse. I will select two objects, align it to center. I will select again, click Pathfinder, click -front. Now I will click Add Anchor Point tool. And make some point here. I'll click one point and delete. I'll select the object, then I will go to File, then I will go to Object, Path, Outline Stroke. Now I will go to Pen tool again and delete this part of extra line. I will make the color red. I will duplicate it. I will make a line from this object. So I take a rectangle over this object again and select the two objects and click intersect. I will make the line longer. I will copy the shape again and paste it and make the color yellow. So you can see in the top the object is here. Now I will make another line shape with this shape. I will go to intersect again, then I will make it a little longer, and position it the left side. I will duplicate it, and make another line. Now I will go to select the first shape, then I will click Ctrl X, Ctrl F to bring it in front of all the object. Then I will copy again and go to stroke, go to width, make it 12, point. Then I will go to object, path, outline stroke. I will go to Pathfinder, click divide and unite. I will press Ctrl F to bring back the first shape. Then I will click to the back shape and go to Ctrl X and go to Ctrl F and bring it to the in front of all the elements. Then I will select the yellow French fry element and I will click Pathfinder and click minus front. I will again press Ctrl F and select the two objects and go to minus front. I will press Ctrl F again and bring the top line and delete it. Now I will go to type tool and write the text. French fries. I will use a font from the text properties, which is this. Any kind of font you can use. So now I will make the text all caps. I will again duplicate it and write another text delivery service. Now I will make the font size small and font style regular. Vertical align 600. Then I will give the color for French fry yellow and delivery service red. Then I will make the whole logo small. I will make a rectangle and make the color red. I will copy the logo and paste in front of the red rectangle. Then I will go to color white. For the subtitle I will go to color white, and I will bring a background of a French fry so it looks more visually appealing. This is the final result. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.